You're going to feel that your time is valuable. You're giving away your time to these companies that they don't even care. You're just a number to them. Who wants a good career? All you people that are wondering, should you do this? Time goes by so fast. You're sitting there worrying about what you're going to do. The best thing you could do is just do something where you have a good feeling about it. There's no better feeling. Like today, I woke up, vacuumed out the truck. I went and got some coffee right here. Now I'm going to be heading over to do a repair. And there's no better feeling than that. Perfect, beautiful day out. I can't imagine if I was working for somebody else, I'd have to go in and clock in and be there on time. And it just, if you don't know the feeling, I can't explain it to you. But once you're out making good money, feeling good, doing something you love doing. You don't have to love it, but I don't mind it at all. I kind of like getting the repair jobs. I like doing doors too, but I'd rather just do the repairs at my age. But I used to love doing doors. Now it's so simple. It's like just go by and you pick up big checks. You don't really have to work that hard for it, and they go so quick that it feels like you're not even working. But you're going out, you're socializing, you're doing whatever. There's not a person in this trade that isn't making great money. It's not like some of them make it and some of them don't. Everybody that's in the garage door trade makes a lot of money, and they have the best of things in life. Life is going to go by so fast. For a lot of you people that are sitting there going, well, I want to do this, but I don't want to do that. That's not how it works. I'm telling you right now, I guarantee you, I want you to succeed in this business. We have a lot of them already, but it's great to hear people that are making a lot of money. I like hearing them change their life and all that. It's a good feeling. So anyway, all you guys that are thinking about what you want to do, or you're thinking about changing your career, don't look at this as a second income. You could for maybe a month or two, but I'm telling you, as soon as you get the taste of this money and your phone starts ringing and you're going out and making $500 to $700 on every call, and you're doing 3 or 4 a day, you're not going to want to go in and work for a couple $100 a day, be in there all day. You're going to feel that your time is valuable. You're giving away your time to these companies that they don't even care. You're just a number to them. When it's time to lay off and your number's up, they just get rid of you. They don't care who you are. All you guys that are working on this certain job because of your retirement when you turn 65, whatever it is, your 401ks and all that, you're just putting money in a piggy bank for somebody else. I've known a lot of people, as soon as they retired from whatever shitty job they had, within months they're dead. So where's their retirement? They don't even get to enjoy life. They have all that figured out. If they work them a certain amount of years, they're going to drop dead. But if you work for yourself and you don't have all that pressure, you get up whenever you want, you work whenever you want, you don't have any of that internal clock that's controlling your life. You're waking up, you're setting your own times, you give 2-hour windows, you always make them late in the morning or early in the afternoon. If I were to restart my life over, I would do it the way I'm doing it now, because it's so relaxing. I make great money doing this, so I can't ask for any more. Something I don't mind doing at all. You're not going to find anything that you love doing. Like when people say they love what they do, I think they're full of crap. Nobody loves what they do. I don't care if you're driving jet skis all day. You're not going to love doing that every day. You're going to get burnt out of it. So whatever people are saying they love what they're doing, it's hard to love something for a long period of time. But if I was doing any other trade, if I was doing any other business, I'd be burnt out of it by now. Wouldn't like it at all. I wouldn't want to do it. I know how I am, but this business always keeps me wanting to go out. I don't know what it is, something about it. Once you start doing it, it seems like when I talk to other garage door people, they all have the same kind of personality, and they all kind of know what I'm talking about. They say things that I could tell they love their job. Or call it a job, call it a career, whatever you want to call it. But I could tell they don't mind what they're doing, and they wouldn't change it for anything. What I'm telling you guys is, from 1 to 10, I'm telling you the garage door thing, I would say is between an 8 and a 9. You're going to love doing this, especially the way I'm telling you guys to do it. I want to put you into business. I want you guys to get to where I'm at, so we have stuff in common. You'll know what I'm talking about. I want to hear after you get to this spot and realize that you're living life. You're enjoying life. You're not on someone else's clock, just wasting your life away. There's absolutely no reason that you should be working for somebody else. Your whole day's gone. You got to get up at 6 or 7 in the morning to make it there by 8. And then from 8, you got to work till 5. You don't get home till 6 o'clock every night. You already got to go to bed. So you're giving up your life for that little bit of money you're making right now. And you don't need to do that. You could be doing what you want to do on your terms, make your own schedule, Take your own time off. Work if you want to work. You don't have to call in sick and tell people, oh, I'm sick today. And then worry if they're mad at you, or people can't even live their life normal. Even on their days off, they're in a bad mood because that guy's face is in their head. That's what you call taking your job home with you. You got to worry about how they feel all the time. Who cares? It's way better to just wake up and live your own life. Do what you want. You'll make even way more money. 3-4 calls, if you average $700 a call, that's $2,100 to $2,800 a day. That's over $1 million a year. So if you want to turn it up where you're doing 15, 20 calls a day, you could hire a guy to go do all that, and then you could do the easy ones. I've done them both. I was in 5 counties. I had 2 people in each county running everything for me at one time. If you're into that stuff, this is an unbelievable opportunity to do that. So that was more work. You'll make so much money doing that if you want that type of lifestyle. But I just like cruising around and making money. Doing it the way I'm doing it now. The way I'm doing it now is so relaxing. I'm telling you, it's easy, it's fun. The work is there. There's too many jobs, not enough technicians. And the technicians that are out there, 8 out of 10 of them suck. They don't even know how to respond to calls. They're bad at business. If you answer your phone, you're getting out there. Don't worry about getting called. Whatever feeling you're having now, you're not going to believe it later. When you get in the business and do what we tell you to do, people are going to call you like you've never seen before. Your phone is going to ring off the hook. But we have ways we can make it to where they call you again and you don't even have to advertise. Take our course. You'll realize that this is the best business. You'll make the best money. You'll be laughing all the way to the bank. You'll have your freedom. You can do whatever you want. You can go golfing every day if you want. We'll even tell you how to break that confidence barrier. Ask us about it and we'll tell you the easiest way to do that. I've told people if they're worried, the first couple calls, just go out there if a woman calls you, because women never hang out in the garage with you while you're working. So you could be out there and you can take your time. You don't have to worry about what they're doing. And if a man, probably 80% of the time, the guy doesn't even hang out in there. He goes in the house. But once in a while, you might come out and start talking to you and pointing at things and all that, and talking about different things. So if you guys are worried about that, just have a woman call. She'll never hang out there in the garage with you. They leave you alone. They go in the house once you tell them the price. So, everything about this job, I'm telling you, easiest business to get into. Tell you all the parts you need. You can order them right through our website. We, help you with the receipt books, your logo, your website if you need one. Even how to open a checking account. Super easy. We'll tell you how to do it so you're not doing it backwards. It's no different if you worked for a company and they sent you there. You're still going to have to go there and face the customer. You think the pressure's off of you when you work for someone else, and it's really not. You have more pressure on you when you work for somebody else. My advice to you is just do it yourself. You start advertising. We'll tell you where to advertise for free. That way, when you're starting off, you're not even paying for advertising. These are all free gravy train money. So pocket all the money. You don't have to pay anybody. You don't have to do anything. And in the first 2 jobs you do, you'll get your money back for this whole course. And the rest is yours. And in a year from now, today, you'll be paying cash for a house or you'll be buying a house. Basically, if you do it the right way, you'll be a millionaire in a year from today. Get on board and start making money. Stop telling yourself you're going to do this other thing or you're going to invest in crypto. Those things don't work. They've never worked. There's always a new generation that thinks they found the answer to some secret thing. Everybody always needs their garage door fixed or repaired or serviced. We're teaching you how to do it. Not many people know how to do it. Get in this business. You're not going to convince yourself of how good it is until you're actually out there making that money. You can't imagine it now until it starts happening. So get involved. Sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. We'll see you in the course. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.